Hello, Kitty here. For today's video, we have another Otaku Baby makeup unboxing. Let's get into it. Here's the box. Oh, this is so cute. It's different from the last box. I'll link the video if you guys want to check it out. It's different and it's so cute. I'm so happy with it. So for this video, we have the romance bundle. The last video we did was the anime babe bundle. And this one was it's like their newest bundle, and it was released around Valentine's Day. Hence why it's called the romance bundle. And yeah, it's basically all themed around romance. You'll see in a minute. Her card. Oh, I love this. All this little heart confetti. So cute. A 02 sticker. The first thing we see is this Senpai palette. This is so cute. Wow, I'm so excited. So the colors we have here are all of these greens, sort of muted darker olive green, black, gray, white, pearly colors. Very neutral green toned palette. I have nothing like this, so I'm very excited to try it out. And yeah, so like this is called the Senpai palette, and it's got a little cute anime boy on the cover. So cute. Love that idea. Next we have here the Otaku Baby matte liquid lipstick set. This is what I was most excited for. I have not tried. I believe these are her first matte lip kit set that she has, and I'm excited to try it. How do we open this? Okay, looks like there's something there. Maybe oh yeah, right through here. So it's magnetic. And this is how it opens. Oh wow, that is so beautiful. So there are 6 lipsticks that come in the set. All sort of neutral to red and pinky tones. So beautiful, I'm so excited to swatch these. Let's get through the rest of the box. She also has these cute little heart styrofoams and heart confettis. This is so beautiful. We have another sticker, her business card. We have an eyelash set. I wasn't aware that there would be eyelashes in here. How beautiful. It says, "Forever yours, my darling. XOXO, your senpai." Oh, that is so romantic. Let's open these up. These are very beautiful. As you can see, they're sort of double stacked and have a sort of curled effect. This is the Love Note lip gloss set. The packaging here sort of matches the packaging on the box. Very cute. So this is a set. I'm not sure what exactly will be in here. Let's see. That is such a beautiful, like peachy pink tone. Her logo here, and I believe this is a lip liner. Oh wow, so it's like a lip liner lip gloss set. Here's the set. I'll go ahead and swatch these for you. The pencil is nice and sharp, which I really like. And the color is a sort of, it's a little dark and it's like a pinkish red color. Very pretty. And this is the gloss. Ooh, this is a regular doe foot applicator. And here's the gloss next to the lip liner. I just love that color so much. I feel like these will blend into each other very well. And this is the shade Gloss Goddess. So I believe the shade is Goddess. Very cute. This is a plastic packaging. And this is the Manga blush set. This is very romantic cover. Very fitting for a romance bundle. And I believe this opens here. Little clasp. And we have 2 shades here. So this is a bit more of an orangey shade and a peachy pink shade. I'll swatch these using a Morphe M437 brush. We'll start with this orangey shade. It looks a little scary, but these orangey tones come out very beautiful. And yeah, it's very understated. It does not appear as bright as it looks. So you can just blot that in, and it will and it will give you a very vibrant cheek look. That is so pretty. And the next shade is this pink, sort of peachy corally shade. Very pretty as well. And this is them swatched side by side. That is so pretty. Last item in the box. We have this Shoujo. I believe this is an eyeshadow palette. And yeah, there's this little anime couple on the cover. Very cute, I love that. Like I said, this is a romance bundle and everything is going to be sort of romance themed. This is a very soft touch. I really like that. And these are the colors. The colors are very bright. We have a few neutrals here. And then we have these very bright like pops of color. That would be very fun to work with. Okay, so I'll just get everything together and then we can do some swatches. Okay, so I'm back with some swatches. On this side, we have the Senpai palette. I'm actually very impressed with this palette. Please ignore how messy my swatches got towards the end. But yeah, this color, absolutely gorgeous, dark teal color. These metallic shades swatch so beautifully, so creamy and pigmented. This is a sort of duochrome color and is absolutely gorgeous in person. This color, favorite of course. They're just so beautiful. These colors are very dark, which I am happy about because this will make a really pretty green tone smoky eye. So yeah, this is just so beautiful. I'm very happy with it. And here we have swatches from the Shoujo palette. This palette is very colorful, and I was surprised. From a romantic palette, I was thinking more neutrals, pinks, purples, but I'm not upset about it. I'm very happy because I don't have anything like these from Otaku Baby, so I'm very happy. This blue and this pink, very cute together. This ended up being my favorite shade. I'm not sure how to describe it, but it's beautiful. The black is a bit different from the one in the Senpai palette because it's got a bit of glitter in it. My camera's not picking it up, but yeah, it has a bit of glitter. The white is a bit unimpressive, just like in the Senpai palette. You'd have to build it up a bit, but I'm sure with the white base, it will work perfectly fine. So yeah, these are the swatches. And I'll be back with some lipstick swatches. So I'm back with some lipstick swatches. Here's the entire collection of matte liquid lipsticks. So they've already dried down a bit so you can see their true color. And they're absolutely beautiful. Each lip color, I was like, this is my favorite, no, this is my favorite. I just fell in love with all of them. This is the lip liner and lip gloss set, in case you wanted to see it swatched with the lipsticks. All of these lip products are absolutely beautiful and I'm very happy with them. If you wanted to get a better look at the component, This is what it looks like. It's kind of small, kind of thin, which I enjoy. When it's a really big lipstick, I feel like I might be wasting product if I don't use it often. So this is nice. And the doe foot applicator is nice and small, which I enjoy because you can get a good line. Like if you're not using any lip liner, you can line it with this. And I feel like it would work very well. So yeah, altogether I'm very happy with the lip products. Okay, so that's it for the Otaku Baby Romance Bundle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!